many people out there not creating evergreen content and they get rich easily. That's true as well, but for me, that's not realistic. That's not my reality. So for me, who is nobody, I think evergreen content is my main strategy. Hello guys, it's Gani here. I'm nobody from Indonesia, and today's video, this is my first video of YTS number one, which is the first YTS. What is YTS? YTS is stand for YouTube Shorts. This is the vlog from me, originally from me. I'm trying to making money from YouTube Shorts, then I creating this journey through this YouTube vlog. So I will record this journey creating money, trying to making money from YouTube Shorts. This is my real journey. So you can check later, maybe 2 years from now or 6 months from now, am I succeed or not? You just follow what I success. You just throw away what makes me failure and so on. So this is my real journey. This is the first vlog, and then I will upload this journey. My plan is all on every Wednesday. So every Wednesday, you could follow me through this journey. YTS vlog number one. So don't forget to subscribe, and then we can see each other again on the next Wednesday. Okay, for this first vlog, what I want to tell you is why YouTube Shorts. Why I plan to make money from YouTube Shorts, because this is the everybody's dream, isn't it? So everybody talk about making money online, making money easy, but uh, in my point of view, I mean, I have a theory that if it's too easy, something wrong. Because out there, many people talk about the getting money from YouTube Shorts is easy because now AI. Yes, it's true, but it seems too easy. Too easy to hear, too easy to watch that content, but something wrong. So I jump in by myself to creating YouTube Short to make money. Hopefully, I succeed. If not, yeah, maybe this problem because it need cost, of course, like subscribe the platform or anything, my time as well, and so let's see if I succeed. That's good. If not, that's well enough, I think. So why YouTube Short? The first one, I already mentioned I already mentioned it earlier about the AI tools. Now AI tools getting better, better, and better. This is not about the more realistic they created or they generated the videos. It's not about that. Yes, that's true. Now AI could generate more realistic videos, but frankly speaking, now the more realistic you create a video from AI, that's more dangerous because you could mislead information to other people. That's so dangerous. Many people talks about it, and then many platforms try to combat or defense against that. So realistic, so people trust it's real, but it's not real. It's never there, and yeah, it's not good for our human being. So the thing is not about the realistic, but it's more easier, much more easier today to make content from AI or creating videos from AI than 1 year ago or 6 months ago. It's much more easier. That's why this is the I believe this is the opportunity or golden opportunity, because maybe not everyone realize this opportunity. That's why I jump into this project. And then the second one, why YouTube Shorts? Why not Instagram or TikTok? So in my research, Instagram or TikTok not evergreen platform, which is if I make video today, in the next 2 years or 3 years, nobody seeing it. Nobody, because as the platform, they will not serve your old content onto new people. Never do it. They never do it for IG and TikTok. But for YouTube, I have a plan that if I create this today video, like this video, hopefully about 2 or 3 years later, people could search on it, and then the discovery not turned off by YouTube itself. So the evergreen is important because we're trying to make money in the long term. Because this is YouTube Short very, I mean, yeah, it's long journey. It's impossible for me to make money tomorrow or one month later. It's impossible. So I expect about 1 year, and then I believe every shorts give small amount of money. Let's say every shorts for 3 years just give $100 in 3 years. It's really small for 3 years, only $100. But the thing is, if I have about 100 videos and I still keep running time by time, and it's compounding exponentially. That's why is it important for me to make evergreen content. That's my point of view. Many people out there not creating evergreen content and they get rich easily. That's true as well, but for me, that's not realistic. That's not my reality. So for me, who is nobody, I think evergreen content is my main strategy. Okay, that's why YouTube. And then let's deep dive into my strategies. This is my main strategies. The first one, I want to go global, which is I create in English shorts, because if I target it on my own country, which is Indonesia, Indonesia has the low RPM. What is low RPM? RPM is revenue per miles. What is miles? Miles is about 1,000. Miles is 1,000, not millions, but miles, which is in the market. Okay, they already the advertiser or the ecosystem made Indonesian advertiser only pay less than other country. That's the truth. That's why for me it's not realistic, or I mean, it is very wise decision if I make the shorts for the global market. So I have to go global and I make videos in English, shorts in English. And then the second one, I don't want to create deepfakes. Like I told you before, is it dangerous for our society? I don't want people get it wrong. I don't want people get misinformation and then stay on their head. I don't want to bring that. So I will try to looking for another content besides deepfakes. What is deepfakes? Deepfakes is mimicking people, like, yeah, real people doing something not they do. They never done that, and we created the content about that. That's no good, I think. For now, I think that's not wisdom choices. That's the second strategy. And then the third strategy, I'm using Pipit.ai. This Pipit AI actually from CapCut. I use CapCut ever since 3 years ago, I believe, and I love it. CapCut is so easy to use. Since then, I never use again the Adobe Premiere, or Adobe After Effects since CapCut there. So I use CapCut ever since. And then CapCut launched the AI called Pipit.ai, and then it's very common sense for me to use Pipit.ai as well. So if you want to use Pipit.ai, you can click link on the description below. It's really easy. Just click that one and then click the Google login. You will use the Pipit.ai with 120 credits. That's not bad. So to be honest, I've used this Pipit.ai for 2 weeks. It's really handy, really easy to use, and just try it by yourself by clicking link on the description down below. Next page. So let's jump in about my progress so far. So far I've done research about this YouTube short journey, and then I find about 50 channels that rely on YouTube shorts. So just randomly choose, let's say this one. This channel is started about 23rd of March 2025, which is about a year. They made about 76 million. Let's see the content. Wow, they made content like, this is not deepfake. This is real animation. So this is not deepfake. Even if it looks like Trump, but it's not Trump. Since this is only toy, so it's not Trump. Oh, it's cute. I don't know. For me, I don't like to targeting the kids or children because, yeah, I'm not really sure. But this is real. They make about 77 million views. How many dollars they made? So let's say $77. I mean 77 million. 77 000 000 000 using these tools. So the estimation revenue they made about 2.5k dollars in a year. Is it big or small? Of course, for me, it is a big amount of money because I'm living in Indonesia. I could pay people not using dollars. our salary is really cheap compared to US, compared to or any other country. So for me, that's good. About 25, I mean 2.5K in a year. So, but for if you in United States, I believe that amount of money not attracts you. That's I'm totally on your point of view. But the thing is, this is channel, and as per my research, people creating not only one channel. They creating about three, four, five, or maybe 10 channels. So you could imagine have about 10 channels creating these views. That means you printing your money. But the thing is evergreen. Remember, if not evergreen, I can see you creating I can creating printing money. Okay, so I've done research that's visible. For 1 year they got about 76 million views, and then about 2.5K. It's small amount of money compared to US citizen or European people, but for me that's enough money to give salary if I have an employee. That's my research. So based on that, okay, let's jump into this project, and then this is my decision based on this to creating YouTube shorts, and of course this vlog as well based on that research. And then lastly, my progress so far, I'm starting getting traction. Yeah, I can give you a share screen. As you can see, this is my another YouTube channel, not the video that you watch now. I upload about 7 April, but today is about 7 April, which is I uploaded today on this video uploaded. Then I got about 1.2K views. Is it big or small? It's so small amount of money, really tiny small amount of money. Because we talk about shorts, we talk about million views, we talk about 100,000 millions views, 100,000 views. Me, for this pace, this starting pace, this number, it means I getting traction. So after I know I getting traction, so I already in the right way, I'm on the right pathway. Need more fine tuning to get more and bigger views. Only upload today, I get 1.2K views from these shorts only. Okay, let's see the content. What the content are. So basically, it's the CCTV about leak surveillance, a camera just like this, a bear coming to the garage, and then that's it. Only that's it. 1.2, very fully using AI. Is it would be good in the future? I don't know, to be honest, because right before I'm recording this video, I'm considering, is it too easy? I just upload prompting on the Pipit AI. Once again, if you want to create, if you want to use Pipit AI, that's really useful and handy tools. Click on the link in the description below. Is it so easy? Is it YouTube will approve my monetization proposal or not? I have to research more. That a little bit my challenge. Is it if I continue making content like that, short like that, is it get monetized or not from YouTube? I'm doubt about it. Really, I'm doubt about it. So let's see. This is my journey. See you on the next Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe. So later I mean we could we could learn this journey. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.